Hey guys, it's Kay. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you a wig I was sent from OMGqueen Hair. Just in case any of you guys are interested, check my description box for links and details to this wig. So here is the wig right here. This is what we looking like. Like I said, I've done so many videos on like wigs these colors, so whenever I get a light wig now, I'm just going to dye it straight up like that, unless I really love the blonde color. But this one I'm going to dye. I don't really know. I'm going to freestyle it, y'all, because I don't really know what look I'm trying to achieve or go for. But this is the wig. This is a 13 by 6. The blonde is cute though, but I just want something different. This is what it looks like now. This wig is pre-plucked. So this is the hairline. And let me show you guys the construction. So here is what construction is looking like. And they give you 3 combs total in the front, a comb in the back. Let's see. Right here with the adjustable straps. The lace has like a brown tint to it, but this is what the hairline looks like. All right, y'all, so I wish that y'all was here so y'all can help me. I'm thinking I'm probably gonna do like some blues. I think I'm gonna do blues and like greens, because that's mainly what I have. Like right here, I already took out these 2 colors because I felt like they look really nice together. All right, so these are the colors that we have. All right, wish me luck. This is what I decided to do. I did turn the wig over and put Vaseline on the lace so it won't get on, like, so the knots can still be bleached. And I think it's gonna work, because like every time I try to put it close to the lace, as you can see, you can still see, you know, the blonde. So that's what it's looking like. So I did, for the perimeter, I used, what did I use? I used the clover, and I also mixed a little of the limelight in there. And that's what I put on the perimeter, and I also put it on the tips of the hair. And then on the roots, I put Royal Navy. This is mostly what I use. And then I put like a little dash of the indigo blue in there. So hopefully it turns out right. I really don't know. I just freestyled it, y'all. It's been about 10 minutes, so I'm gonna go ahead and rinse it off. So this is what it turned out looking like, and I actually really like it. So I thought that this part was going to turn out like purple, but it actually turned out the navy blue color like I wanted to. But the green is very pretty and vibrant. I really like it. And then you can also see how I put the green on the ends, and it just blends so perfect.
Wudo on the beat. Club is a guy that thinks he's fly and is also known as a buster. He's always talking about what he wants and just sits on his broke ass. So no, I don't want your number, no. I don't wanna give you mine, and no, I don't wanna meet you nowhere, no. I don't want none of your no. I don't want no scrubs. Scrubs is a guy that can't get no love from me. Hanging on the passenger side of his best friend's ride, trying to holler at me. I don't want no scrub. Scrub is a guy that can't get no love from me. Hanging on the passenger side of his best friend's ride, trying to holler at me. game is kinda weak, and I know that he cannot approach me. I'm looking like class and he's looking like trash. Can't get with a deadbeat ass. No, I don't want your number, no. I don't wanna give you mine, and no, I don't wanna meet you nowhere, no. I don't want none of your no, I don't want no scrubs. Cause they gotta can't get no love from me. Hanging out the passenger side of his best friend's ride, trying to holler at me. I don't want no scrubs. Cause they gotta can't get no love from me. Hanging out the passenger side of his best friend's ride, trying to holler at me. God thinks he's flying, is also known as a buster. He's always talking about what he wants and just sits on his forget. So no, I don't want your number, no. I don't wanna give you mine, and no, I don't wanna meet you nowhere, no. I don't wanna on the beat. Thug is a guy that thinks he's fly and is also known as a buster. He's always talking about what he wants and just sits on his broke ass. So no, I don't want your number, no. I don't wanna give you mine, and no, I don't wanna meet you nowhere, no. I don't want none of your no, I don't want no scrubs. Cause they gotta can't get no love from me. Hanging out the passenger side of his best friend's ride, trying to holler at me. I don't want no scrubs. Cause they gotta can't get no love from me. Hanging out the passenger side of his best friend's ride, trying to holler at me. Game is kinda weak, and I know that he cannot approach me. I'm looking like class and he's looking like trash. Can't get with a deadbeat ass. No, I don't want your number, no. I don't wanna give you mine, and
the hair is so nice. What the fuck? The hair itself is really nice. It took very well to the color. It took the color very well. As you can see, the colors are really vibrant. Also, I didn't get much shedding. I think I do show you how much shedding I got from this wig. Hopefully I did, but it wasn't a lot at all as far as like tangling. I have not received any tangling yet, but this is a shorter wig. I'm pretty sure this wig is going to be more easier to manage. And yeah, I really like her. Like, she's nice. Oh, and as far as the lace, as you can see, blends right in. But one thing I will say, like a tip, use Vaseline. Like if you're coloring a wig and you don't want it to get on the roots of the hair, like the knots, use Vaseline. The only thing about the Vaseline, it did make this hair very greasy, and I did want to go back and wash it with like some Dawn dish detergent, because that breaks down the grease in the hair, but I didn't have any. So the hair is kind of like still greasy. I wish it wasn't. I mean, you can't really tell. It still came out good, but in some parts it is a little bit more oily than other parts up in the front part. But yeah, so if you do have that issue where you try to wash out the oil, or you know, the Vaseline, and it won't wash out, use Dawn, because that will definitely get it out. But this is cute. I couldn't decide on whether I wanted to do a side part like a little swoop over or a middle part. I might do a middle part just so you guys can see what it looks like as a middle part as well.
I don't wanna meet you nowhere, no. I don't want none of your no. I don't want no scrubs, cause they can't get no love from me. Hanging out the passenger side of his best friend's ride, trying to holler at me. I don't want no scrubs, cause they can't get no love from me. Hanging out the passenger side of his best friend's ride, trying to holler at me.
Thinks he's flying, is also known as a buster. He's always talking about what he wants and just sits on his forget. So no, I don't want your number.
Alright y'all, so this is what the hair is looking like as a middle part. Which one y'all like more? Y'all like pulled over to the side, or do y'all like a middle part? Let me know. This is triggering me to get more into color, y'all, like I used to be. I'm missing it. I didn't realize how much I was missing it, but she is cute. It looks so good. Like, you don't even see the lace. Sorry, I look so raggedy though. I got holes in my shirt and everything. Even though, I mean, we giving green on green, but that was a mistake, y'all. This shirt is so dingy. But back. But I definitely wanted the fullness and the bigness, so I tried not to put too much heat on it, and kind of like, I didn't want to, like when I was curling it, I didn't want to leave the heat on it too long because I didn't want the hair to get straight. Like, I still wanted it to have some kind of volume.